Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the car emote in BGMI. This exclusive item is primarily obtained through special, limited-time in-game events. These events often feature a lucky spin or a unique crate system. Players typically need to spend in-game currency, like unknown cash, to participate. Success depends on luck and understanding event mechanics. Many events offering the car emote include specific mechanics to help you. Some might guarantee the emote after a certain number of spins, perhaps 10 or 20 attempts. Always check for progress bars or milestone rewards within the event interface. Unknown cash, or UC, is the main currency required for participation. It's wise to set a budget for your UC spending to avoid overspending for this rare item. To maximize your chances, always monitor official BGMI social media channels for early event announcements. This gives you time to prepare and save your unknown cash specifically for these exclusive opportunities. Participating early in an event allows you to understand its mechanics fully before committing significant UC. Also, keep an eye out for UC bundles. Sometimes, smaller packs offer better value per unit of currency. In summary, the car emote in BGMI is almost exclusively obtained through special, limited-time in-game events. There isn't a permanent store option for it. Your best strategy involves carefully managing your unknown cash and thoroughly understanding each event's specific mechanics. By staying informed through official channels and approaching these events with a plan, you significantly increase your chances of adding this unique car emote to your collection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.